How to use Klaviyo for email marketing. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Klaviyo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to klaviyo.com. Then you will be directed on this page. And if you don't know what is Klaviyo, it is a marketing automation platform designed primarily for e-commerce businesses, providing tools for email, SMS, mobile push, and reviews to create more personalized marketing campaigns, in which this platform offers a unified customer support allowing e-commerce brands to drive repeat sales, improve retention, and make more revenue through personalized email and SMS marketing. And now to get started using Klaviyo, you could also proceed by clicking the Get Started Free on the top right corner, or alternatively this button right here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information such as your email, password, your company name, company website, and answer the question how we'll be using Klaviyo. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by checking all of these boxes right here and just click Create Account button below here. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And in here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating such as home, campaigns, flows, reviews, sign up forms, audience, content, and many more. And under this home, you will see here how you can set up your account by doing the step-by-step process. And by clicking these campaigns right here, it refers to the functionality that enables e-commerce businesses to create and manage and send targeted email and SMS marketing campaigns to their customers. And also by signing in, you're also required to link your Shopify account right here so that you can see here that you can see your campaigns such as your canceled order, checkout is started, fulfilled order, and many more. And below here under the list view, you will be able to see the name of the campaign, type, status of the campaign, last updated, open rate, and many more. While by clicking this calendar view, you'll be able to see here the schedule, campaigns that will be sent to specific date. And now to start creating a campaign, just click the Create Campaign button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, it will show you some of the details that you need to fill out, such as these tags that you could also simply enter here the tags that you prefer, enter the campaign name, date, then proceed by clicking Save and Continue button below. Now going back in here, you could also navigate here on the left side panel the Flows option, in which this feature is designed to automate sequences of email or SMS campaigns that are sent to users over a predetermined period of time. And if you want to create a flow, just click this Create Welcome Series button below here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which the first thing that we need to do is to simply select a list to trigger your welcome series, in which when anyone joins this list from a sign up form or another resource, they will enter this flow. And by clicking the next button on the top right corner, we will be able to choose another flow or step, which is this Select Who Gets a Coupon. You can simply select some of the option in here. Then just click the next button in order to create a flow. So basically these flows are triggered by specific users' action or milestones, and are intended to nurture and engage customers, encouraging repeat purchases and improving retention. And aside from flows option, you could also navigate here the reviews, since if we link our Shopify account in here or store, this option is designed to allow e-commerce businesses to collect and manage product reviews from their customers. And this feature includes the ability to create custom review questions, automate review requests with email and SMS flow. So if you want to add reviews, just click this Add Reviews button right here, in which upon clicking on it, you're supposed to be directed on your Shopify store, but at this point, as you can see, we have still not installed in Shopify. So to continue, just click this Continue to Shopify button right here. Then you will be directed on this page, and from here, just install this Klaviyo reviews. And after that, you can now start adding your reviews question and automate review requests. Now going back on this page, you could also navigate here on the left side panel the sign up forms by simply clicking on it. This serves the purpose of creating and customizing forms to collect customer information, such as email address, names, birthdays, and product preferences to build a list of engaged subscribers for marketing purposes. And these forms are essential for growing businesses as they help improve deliverability and drive conversions by gathering valuable customer data. And by clicking this Get Started button right here, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, you can select either email or SMS, but I'm going to choose email since we're making for email marketing. And you could also select an email list, then just click the next button on the top right corner. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do to create a form is to select how the form will pop up on your page. Then just click the next button on the top right corner. Then proceed by adding a teaser to your form. but that is only an optional. So basically, just fill out all of the required information and just select your answer. Then just click the next button on the top right corner to create a form. Now going back in here, you could also navigate the audience option, such as the growth tools, listen segments, and profiles. And under this list growth, you will be able to create your first sign up form, customize subscribe and preference pages, and even set up Klaviyo SMS. By simply clicking this create button, you will be able to create your first sign up and even customize your subscribe and preference page. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the list and segments, in which it serves the purpose of grouping customers based on various criteria such as interest, activity, marketing channels, and more to enable businesses to target specific segments effectively. And by clicking this create new button on the top right corner, you will be able to create list or segment. So let's say we're going to choose to create a segment. By simply clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And under segment builder, you will be able to see here that all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information such as the name, tags, definition, in which this segment allows you to track and analyze people who meet certain conditions. So for instance, I'm going to enter here VIP only, and for the tags, I'm going to enter here VIP. And for the definition or condition, you can simply select here a condition given here. And after selecting a condition, the next thing that you need to do is to choose a person that can receive or can't receive the email marketing. And also below here, you can simply add other condition or filter. And you could also simply add a new condition by clicking end as your condition. And just select the condition that you prefer. And just do the same process of entering some other details. And after that, just click create segment on the top right corner to create the segment that you enter. And after that, you will be directed in here in which you will be able to track the total profile count, email profile counts, suppressed profile, and many more. And aside from that, you could also navigate here on the left side panel, the templates, in which on the right side panel, you will be able to see here all of the templates of email that you can choose or use in creating your campaigns. So for instance, I'm going to choose this one, so can I click on it? And from here, just scroll down until you find this use template button. By simply clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, we can start customizing these templates, such as by deleting this logo and using some other editing tools that we can find on the left side panel. We could also customize this image using the left side panel editing tools or edit this context if you want to. So for instance, I'm going to delete this text and I'm going to enter here, you are the chosen one. And aside from that, you could also add here a text, image, split, button, header bar, and customize other elements under this content. And if you're now done customizing this template, just click the save button on the top right corner. And after that, just wait for it to load. Then you will be directed under this save template section right here. And to use this template by creating a campaign, all you need to do is to go back to this campaign section. Then just click this create campaign button on the top right corner. And after that, just fill out all of the required information. Then proceed by clicking save and continue button below here. And then from here, all you need to do is to simply select your recipients, in which you will be able to see your other option that you could also select. And after selecting a recipient, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click this continue to content button right here. And after clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, just fill out the subject line, preview text, the sender name, and by clicking on the right side panel, this drag and drop, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select the saved templates that we just saved earlier. And after selecting templates, you will be directed in here. And below, just scroll down, then just click use template button right here. And after that, you can now see that we have now successfully choose the saved templates. Then just proceed by clicking this continue to review button right here. And after that, it will now show you that the email has now ready to send. But make sure that you also fill out all of the required information in order to do so. Like this one, there's an error occur, and because of that, I'm not be able to send or schedule this email marketing campaign. But if you do, you will be able to start scheduling or send this email marketing by clicking the schedule or send button below here. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Klaviyo for email marketing. Thank you.